We've got to give you some updates because we haven't done any updates.
It's on its side now, but let's do a quick recap of the stuff we've been doing, and then we'll update you on what's happened and where we are today.
What?
Right, so where are we at?
So, as you can see, I cut a chunk out. This panel caught us off guard. We didn't think it was as bad as it was. And then when we started doing the do, are you okay?
I'm okay.
You recorded my nipple.
No, I did. I was looking at you, and then my camera went down. It's because we were out of practice, because we've not filmed in ages. Well, actually, no, we did film. We filmed all the retro rides, and then we had our first corrupted card incident. So you will never see retro rides, what we got up to. But it's a very good event, so check it out next year.
So yeah, caught a big hole. This panel caught us off guard. We thought it was better than it was, and it done us the dirty.
It wasn't very holy.
But we did have panels. We had floor panels, and then Dan sold them on because we were like, no, we don't need them. We'll just repair small areas.
It was to sell to fund
That panel.
this panel.
So yeah, as you can see, I did some repairs, and yeah, it just blew out. These are where seat bases and stuff were mounted. So, as per Datsun problems, you can't get panels easily. So we just brought some metal and made it. So here's our new floor panel.
All made in-house.
Handcrafted. It's not perfect, but it's good enough.
Also, thank you to Jack Shack for allowing us to use his massive Bailey suede roller,
whatever you want to call it.
So
now we're going to weld this in.
And obviously, you've not seen it. It is now on its side. What have we done? We've done a recap quickly.
We've not really done a lot of the cleaning.
No, and then today I haven't filmed any, but started to strip it all back. And then today is getting the floor in, getting the rail in, maybe.
What, seat rail?
No, the
chassis rail.
Chassis rail, maybe.
Yeah, possibly.
And then that side just needs a rail because that's been removed now. And then yeah, I'll at the end of the video I'll do a bit of a recap on where we are. Still have not got the left-hand rocker because the one that got delivered to John Ludwig's in America, I need a left hand, and which seems to be impossible to find anywhere. And they had a left hand in stock, but they didn't. They sent a right hand, thinking, "Oh, we'll just send a right hand when we need a left hand." So should be arriving at John's tomorrow, and then hopefully in a week or two, depending on how busy John is, we will then see that. So then we can end that chapter. But progress has been made. It has been a little bit slower than we anticipated. Also because this man has been doing a kitchen at home.
Not really been doing a kitchen at home.
Doing part-time kitchen stuff. But, yeah, fun. So, after that last clip, we went on to do more wild wheel and stuff, so we did film it. I then headed home. It is now 2 weeks later, and now we're here. So, right, we're going to have a quick recap of where we're at. Like you said, I've done some quick cinematics of the floors, which Eden's done a fantastic job. I'll put it around here. So, you saw him putting in this one. You can see the rail is now in. This plate has now been made and put back. You don't really know what it does.
It's just a little spreader plate.
Yeah, I think so. We then was going to do a few localised repairs here, but he has changed this whole section of the floor. And again, another rail, and we'll call it a spreader plate. So that is the floors done. Remaining jobs are rocker panel. It's still not here, still in America. Hopefully soon it will come back. Come to us. Obviously we've got the rear panel. We have a few odds and sods to do. You can sort of pick it up where this has been butchered, where the 5-speed was put in, so that needs tidying up. And I think we're nearly there. Today we've been wire wheeling again. We've just done some cinematic bits which will end this bit on.
And fire.
And fire, yes, we use fire, which actually a quick blast over some heat and a scraper gets the majority off, and then a wire wheel seems to be the trick. So it's getting a bit dark now, but we're pretty much there. We've just got the wheel wells to do and some in-between bits. So the next attack with that be done. Which leaves us to the most exciting part,
Scaffolding.
scaffolding. So
Okay.
these are the mounts which Eden me and Eden templated in the pre-video earlier. I then cut these, so they're ready to go. We need to order some tube, and then it leaves us the last job before it comes back to me, besides painting the underneath, which is the seat mounts, which we're not looking forward to because it's going to be utter faff to get those right. But yeah, I think that's it, and we'll leave you to it, and then we'll see you again next time with hopefully cage stuff.
Yes. Cage stuff.